You connect an Xbox controller to Vista very similarly to connect as you would connecting a mouse or any other peripheral to Vista. You would just plug it in through the USB or Universal Serial Bus, and once it's plugged into Vista, it then recognizes as an actual hardware controller or human interface device, however it names it. Once it's plugged in, Vista actually has drivers specifically for an Xbox controller. So once you hit the A button on the controller, Vista knows that you're hitting an A button on an Xbox controller. So if you have a game that recognizes that an Xbox controller can control it, say something that was specifically made for an Xbox, that was ported over to a PC, you could then control the game on Vista the same way you control it on an Xbox, very simply. The Xbox controller uses the same connection as this mouse, Universal Serial Bus, or USB. On an Xbox, it charges and allows you to control the Xbox, but on a PC, it's necessary to plug it into the USB port.